what's your aspiration in making this film? And is there any inspiration from the international film ba?
Sobrang fan ako ng Sinister. I mean, very obvious naman. It's about a horror film, about someone watching horror. Ako, parang firm believer nga ako na that's like the best horror, kind of horror. In fact, I mean, The Ring, diba? Yung every time na it's a film featuring, a film within a film na nakakatakot. As a first film, no, parang hindi rin may iwasan na it's also a film about filmmaking. So, doon ako humugot ng inspirations from films like that. Other than that, of course, it's yung silent film element rin, no? Before as a kid, may nahanap akong like box of DVD sets ng dad ko, no? Of silent films, horror silent films, mga Nosferatu, Cabinet of Dr. Caligari. Nung bata ako, parang wala pa akong concept of what a silent film was. Parang hindi ko gets na, ay, bakit black and white, ba't walang tunog? Autopsy of Jane Doe, parang mapansin nyo, kind of similar, no? Parang a father and a son naman doon, operating in one location, no? In one night. And in fact, parang that also gave me the idea, why not set the whole film, no? During one night lang. Napa-research rin ako, nalungkot ako na, yun nga, wala na tayong silent films here in the Philippines, wala pa na-recover, so it made me try to reimagine, no? Well, it's a what if kind of film, no? What if we find another silent film and what if it's the first horror silent film in the Philippines, no? So sobrang ginamit ko lang talagang like as yung vehicle tong film na to experiment and finally make, you know, a silent film.
Okay. Natapos ba yung commercial ng soap?
Ay, hindi. Well, knowing if, alam mo yun, kung sobrang hassle ng client, naghanap nilang ulit sila ng isa pang kaya nila yun, kaya na yung workaround na yun.
Thank you po. Congrats again.